Maltese economy has the advantage of being small in an island, being a bit protective. However, we don't feel that we are completely isolated from the problems happening all over, and we feel that with time we will start seeing in the real life some of the consequences of the degradation of the conditions all over Europe. However, I also think that the Maltese economy is well prepared, and we will end up turning the corner and progressing further.
L-għan prinċipali tagħna huwa niffaċilitaw biex il-persuni jidħlu fid-dinja tax-xogħol u dan għamluh permezz ta' diversi skemi. Din li qed nitkellmu fuqha llum hija l-Employment Aid Program, nikkonċentraw fuq persuni żvantaġġati. Meta ngħidu żvantaġġati ġifieri persuni li jsibu naqra iktar diffikultà biex jidħlu fid-dinja tax-xogħol.
These are always important contributions. These schemes are prepared to stimulate the engagement of people which in normal circumstances would eventually have more difficulty in accessing the labor market. So at one time, the economy is being helped in those families by starting to work, and the company gets incentives to effectively hire them.
Aktar minn 80% ta' dawk illi daħlu f'dan il-programm baqgħu impjegati mal-istess kumpanija li ħadithom ħanidu lajek għal perjodu ta' żmien fejn kien hemm l-għajnuna li ġejja minn dawn il-fondi. Ifisser illi issa dawn in-nies għandhom xogħol permanenti jew sakemm jixtiequ ma jixtiequ dak li impjegahom. L-20% l-oħra ifisser li uħud minnhom sabu xogħol għal rashom. Oħrajn illi allura għandhom bżonn aktar u aktar għajnuna biex jinserru xuruhom permanenti fis-suq tax-xogħol li tissi trid tara eżattament fejn ħaddaħħalhom. U allura iżżomm tagħmel tracer study u tgħinhom tindirizzhom lejn programmi oħra ta' taħriġ illi jistgħu jituhom naturalment dak li jixtiequ huma.